This video for anyone who's on YouTube and they're searching, they're looking for a male enhancement that actually does work. I made videos before talking about the male enhancement I'm using. I've told other people about the male enhancement pills that I take, and they're getting good results. They're able to last longer. The pills give you harder erections, the male enhancement pills I take. So, you know, if you're looking for you're doing research, you're looking for some male enhancement pills that actually do work, that are going to give you great results. It's a link under my video. Click that link, go to the website, and order you a couple bottles. And once you get it, man, I'm telling you, you're going to be able to have sex. I mean, you're going to be able to last a long time. You're even going to get more girth. You're going to get a little bit longer. I've gotten longer. I told some guys about this stuff, and a lot of people, you know, they give me feedback saying that they're getting good results with the pills, and they thank me for sharing the information. You know, I just want to let people know that there actually are some good male enhancement products that do work. And I've been taking one for over a year now, and the one I take works 100% sure. I can't say nothing bad about it. No side effects or nothing. It doesn't cost a lot of money. And when I buy it, I always buy like 2 to 3 bottles, so I'm always stocked up. You know, I'm always ready to go. And you know, like I said, when I have sex, you know, I have a wife, and when I have sex with her, man, I tear her up. I'm not even joking, man. I love it. It makes me feel like I'm like 20 or something again, you know, but I'm older than 20. But yeah, if you're looking for some good male enhancement pills, there's a link under my video. Click it. Click that link, go to the website, order you some bottles, get these pills. And as soon as you get them, the night they're going to come in the mail. And once you get them in the mail, whoever you have sex with or whatever, man, they're going to enjoy it, man. Trust me. So like I said, if you want some real male enhancement pills that are going to work for sure, that work for me and other people, click that link, go order a couple bottles, man. You'll thank me later. Trust me.